with Drifter Journey and another parking lot van fix. Today we're doing the cabin air filter replacement on a 2017 Ram Promaster 2500 gasoline. We picked this one up at AutoZone. Sorry for the diesel background noise. We're at the Les Schwab. We're doing it outside there because we're going to get some brake work done. So it's a CAF 90131P. And this should be a pretty easy swap. You're going to want to release the hood latch, which is just inside the driver's side door to the left here. Pop the hood up with the lever in the center. Set her up. And so the air filter, cabin air filter, is right up in here, and it's just held on with two Phillips head screws, which are kind of a pain to get to. They're on, you got to get them from the top here. You probably can't even see them, but we have this little handy dandy screwdriver that should be able to get in there and get them out. And so I'm just gonna loosen them up and remove them the rest of the way by hand. And while I'm doing this, we checked the owner's manual, and it says that you should replace this filter every 20,000 miles. We probably should do it more often. We're at 40,000 right now, but this was only a $20 part, so probably going to do it more often now that we got our hands on one. All right, so once those two screws are out, it just pops out. We have seen where you can buy just the filter on Amazon, so this just pops out of here, out of the housing, and you can buy just this filter on Amazon for like $10 I was seeing, but they weren't going to ship it prime. As you can see, it's pretty filthy. We're here in Montana, and we found this kit from AutoZone, like I said, for 20 bucks, and it's the whole thing. So it replaces the front screen too. So for $20, it seems like a good option, as long as it fits. And it should just pop right back up in there. It looks like it's going to fit perfectly. I'm going to put my two screws back in, and then that is going to be the quick replacement of the cabin air filter on a 2017 Ram Promaster. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. Comments, leave them below. Please subscribe. We always appreciate that support. And gonna try and come out with some new videos for you with other how-tos.